Hello traders, this is Eagle Star, just giving some market insights today for the charts that I have been posting. On the US dollar Swiss, we notice a strong downtrend here. It looks like it might be able to turn over and may perhaps give us something like this, which I have in the 1 hour chart, but I'll also draw it in here on the 4 hour chart, so you can kind of see what I do when I look for possible entries. So if we do continue to see this gaining strength, we will notice a lot more action on this as well as it rises to the upside. You could think about buying now, but I would like it to take out this high here, and also this magenta line, magenta median line. For the pound dollar, I'm taking the most recent low, high, low, and taking the sliding parallel out. And if it does pull back, it might give some action on this sliding parallel. For US dollar, Euro US dollar, take a low, high, low. I took the farthest low here on the bottom right hand side because I noticed it was giving a little bit better action on this, and notice some sliding parallel in here where price is reacting. If it does continue to drift down, look for more touches here or more touches here, but it may be losing efficiency. It may drift out of the fork. For the Euro US dollar Japanese yen, we are gaining momentum on this blue fork again, but we aren't getting any new highs, so that would concern me. It's kind of stalling at the 102.70, 102.65, 102.70 area, and kind of drifting down and giving us a big right range bar here that could tell us that it might break out of the fork. It just depends. Wait on price action for that. For the US dollar Canadian, we have a low, high, low, and sliding parallels out. This fork was working well, and I had actually taken a trade on it in a smaller time frame, but it hit the median line here, and it resumed its upward thrust, and it found resistance at the upper median line. For the Aussie dollar, high, low, high, and this sliding parallel, I didn't do the extreme because I'm noticing more touches here, and we're actually we're having some trouble to break this area. If you are looking to short, I'm at a break-even trade on this on a smaller time frame. But if you're looking to short, you'd want it to keep on descending past these lows. That's a modified shift. I was trying to find an area where I could long or short on the Aussie yen, but it is continuing to hold in this magenta fork to the upside. It is showing a little bit of weakness, however, by not holding on the magenta line to continue. So I'll look for potential downside for a little while on the Aussie yen. For the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we saw some drifting after it hit the median line, and it may continue to drift down here where it might give you a potential long to enter. For the New Zealand Japanese yen, I actually break even in a position, not on this broker, but I'm break even in a position here. I'm looking for a potential drop, continued drop, if yen gains in weakness this week. Now to the 1 hour charts. I'll just do this briefly. Noticing a lot of reaction on this bottom median line to the upside. potential to keep on going to the long. Look for longs if it continues to react on this bottom line, but it could also be a psych out, so just be concerned about that. Pound dollar, I got some sliding parallels off of this magenta fork here, giving a lot of touches on the top. If it gets up to here again, it might be a good area to short, but always keep in consideration price action. This is the Euro US dollar 1 hour chart. Just very similar fork as the 4 hour is bouncing here. May go back up, may go back down. Just watch price action. It's still in an uptrend, so even though it might be losing efficiency, it is still in an uptrend. So be careful if you do decide to short it. For US dollar yen, taking the magenta fork here, projecting it out with the sliding parallels, we're noticing some resistance here, as well as resistance at this top. Potential to go long here, but these bars here are showing maybe perhaps some new sellers coming into the market, so just be very wary. US dollar Canadian hit the upper median line on this fork. It's kind of a hard fork to read for me right now. We might be able to have a sliding parallel come out and rest on here again for potential long opportunity. I'm in a break-even trade on this Aussie dollar. I'm looking for, if it does drop, potential drop to the bottom area here, but it is holding its ground, so I am kind of cautious about that. I would not enter any new positions. Aussie yen is hitting this sliding parallel, and if it does continue to break through the magenta line, you may be able to get a short in to catch it to the blue median line, or a sliding parallel off of this bottom here. For the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, a symmetrical pattern forming here, as above so below, and got some action to the downside. We might be able to draw in a new fork here. Let me check. We go with the previous B point here. Or even here, may be better. So we'll see how this new fork reacts on this line. And to finish off, we have the New Zealand yen. As I said, I'm in a 4-hour short on this, so we'll see how it goes, but we're noticing some selling here on this line. What we want to do is see it break down below here, potential short on this sliding parallel to the median line, or a sliding parallel off of this bottom line here. Alright, good luck to traders, and trade well. I hope this is informative and helpful.